Hi guys, I'm here with an unboxing video for a package that I just received today from MZ Wallace, New York. This is going to be an unboxing video of the Crosby Tote in the color Dawn with the gold hardware. I wanted to do an unboxing video because I have seen a lot of these in the past, and this is my first MZ Wallace purchase. I know there's only one or two other videos with this particular bag, and I've really benefited from others' videos, so I just wanted to make one so that anyone considering a purchase in this color or style has the benefit of seeing what it looks like as it comes out of the box. So I already undid the tape from the box, so we'll take a first look here. So we can see the MZ Wallace dust bag that it comes in. It's really nice quality, really colorful. All right, so pull the bag out of the dust bag. Okay, so in terms of packaging, it's really well protected. In a nice plastic bag here. Go ahead and pull this out. All right, so there she is. First impressions are, I really love the blue color. Oh yeah, and it's got a really nice feel. So I was expecting this nylon to be a little bit thicker. It's actually kind of a softer nylon. And the quilting is not as puffy as I thought it would be, so it's actually got a really nice feel to it. It's got that signature kind of red edging to the leather accents here, so that's really nice. We've got the MZ Wallace logo. Side pockets here look really nice. And I guess first impressions are that everything is extremely well packaged, so that's really good. It's a little heavier than I thought it would be, so I'm sure we'll explore that. All right, so just starting to undo some of the tissue paper here. So the straps are very soft. They are leather and are in that nice navy color, so you can start to see some of the gold hardware. Got the MZ Wallace tag. So already the hardware is really popping on the color blue here. Really pretty shade. It's not too much like this kind of bright royal blue. It really is a true navy, and it's got some really nice color here in the daylight. So very good. Pull off some more of this tissue paper to start to expose some of the zipper pulls, which look like they are in that nice solid leather with the red edging. So that's really cool. Got a nice little MZ Wallace detail there. All right, yep, another really good pull. So these are really substantial, really feel the quality. Okay, good, so almost done with the tissue paper over the hardware. I really love it when companies protect your investment that way. Okay, and then just turning it over, we've got another zipper pull on the top. Another leather pull, same style back here, so that's really nice. If you're wearing the bag kind of back ways forward, you've got still a kind of cute looking pull and pocket. Okay, so it looks like that's all the tissue paper on the front. So starting to get into some of these pockets here. So really nice, actually very high quality zipper. So we've got this really substantial front pocket. Yeah, again, the nylon is a lot thinner than I was expecting. You know, I think the quilting gives it some good rigidity. I don't expect this will tear too easily, so that's good. Coming into this next pocket, really substantial here. We can see, it looks like there's an MZ Wallace another dust bag, so that's really cool to have the two dust bags provided. Yeah, so really sizable pocket here. This could easily fit one of the smaller iPads, you know, definitely your Kindle, that kind of thing. This would fit a lot of the iPhones, so these are really nice sized pockets. You can really see how they kind of give a little bit of a gusset here so that you've got some space. All right, and then moving into this larger pocket on the top. Really smooth zippers, I love that. As a mom, that's super handy. So yeah, this pocket's actually really deep. It goes literally all the way to the bottom of the bag. So you've got that full size. I bet you could, you know, slip some larger documents in there, or again, a full-size iPad or tablet. So moving on to the side pockets here, these are a bit smaller. We do have a water bottle here, so we could kind of see what that looks like. Yeah, I think it's going to be pretty much one of the skinnier water bottles for your fit here, or maybe a side pocket would be better for the sunglasses or something like that. But still, that's nice to have. So there's one on each side. In terms of the drop length of the handles, they're actually pretty sizable, so that's great. And moving into the back pocket here, you can see this is another extremely generous size. And yeah, again, this goes all the way down to the bottom. Really soft interior here. Okay, so yeah, first impressions, I love the look of it. I love the color. Really beautiful with the edging detail on the leather. So moving into the bigger pocket, so I guess one of these nice things that I like to point out, so you've really got this good coverage at the top, and it's one of those zippers that has the tail, so it kind of tucks in there, so that's very convenient, easy for cleaning. So open this up and start to see what's inside the main compartment. So we've got some padding here. All right, so first impression here is that this laptop or tablet side pocket is very spacious, and you can see it's a little padded, so it's got a little bit of that sort of soft neoprene style cushioning, so that's very cool. You don't have it on the back here, but the quilting of the bag is actually a little bit protective. And yeah, that's not only is it the full size of the back of the bag, it's also pretty deep. As we move into the interior, so we can see we've got a strap here that attaches to a pouch. Really surprised actually, again, with the nylon, it's just really, really soft. So that's a really nice thing. It's got that beautiful leather detail. Looks like this connects to one of these clips, so you can remove the pouch directly, and you can use this harness lasso for a key keeper, so that's a nice addition there. And then you've got the takeaway pocket, so little sweet gold pull here with the MZ Wallace logo zipper. Yep, and then some really nice packaging there. MZ Wallace has done well by their customers. Okay, so continuing to look into the main pocket, we have the MZ Wallace interior. You can see this is a nice big pocket here with a slip for either a cell phone or some of your smaller items on the inside wall. And then we also have a card pocket right in front. If we come to the front wall of the bag, we've got two of the larger pockets, perfect for cell phones, sunglasses, that sort of thing. And then coming into the straps here, looks like we've got our 3 straps that this tote bag comes with. And you can see just how deep and wide the bag is. It's a really good size for documents, mommy essentials. And with all of the straps removed, it's actually really light. So I love that this is a substantial bag with a lot of organization that isn't going to weigh you down. I can imagine that sleek profile looking really good against the body, so that's great. Not super easy to stand on its own without anything in it, but I imagine that once you add some weight to the bottom there, it would just puff out and be fine. On the bottom of the bag, so I did read about the fact that there are no feet on this bag. You know, I think that, I don't know how valuable feet would be with the puffy quilting anyway. But, you know, you can see that it's got the nice leather detail here. All in all, just a really good feel to this bag. Okay, and then moving on into our straps. So we've got the crossbody strap here, is a nice solid strap, really wide. I can imagine that will be really nice and comfortable to wear. Some really cute leather detailing here. It's got the kinds of clips that rotate, so that's really convenient to have when you're carrying stuff around. Next up, we've got, this is one of the details that really sold me on this bag was this really beautiful braided chain strap. So it's short, it's heavy, but it's really gorgeous. So you can see it's got some beautiful braiding with the metal and the leather straps. So we'll go ahead and attach this. You can see how it drapes across the front. Even the clasps have the MZ Wallace name, and you can see how they rotate, so it's nice and easy for the bag. So even that just looks gorgeous, really stylish, but yet super functional. I love MZ Wallace for that. And then finally, we've got the shoulder strap. Again, really well protected. This one's made out of the full leather, so this is not the woven strap. This is a leather strap. This one I think will be more functional for travel or business wear. It's fully adjustable, so you can imagine how long that is going to be. And then this is more of a fashion shoulder strap. So you can see it's got the gold detail with the buckle, got that nice red edging again on the leather, and again with the clasps that rotate so that things don't get tangled. So that's pretty cool. I can really imagine, I think for me, probably having the longer strap for functional carry, and then the chain strap for the kind of fashion carry and the quick over the shoulder style approach. So that is what the Crosby Tote looks like. So really nice bag. I love the feel. I think this is gonna be a forever bag. So props to MZ Wallace for really pulling it together on this one. Next up, I will do a video with packing this guy. So I hope that this has been helpful. Good luck on your bag search, and thanks for watching.